Here's a wreath form I got from Dollar Tree. And then I'm taking these magnolia leaves that I got from Michael's for $1.80 each. They were on sale. And I am slowly starting to wrap them around, just lay them down on the form. And when I have them the way that I like them, I'm cutting some floral wire and wrapping their stems with that floral wire. And now I'm going to start with the next one. And what you need to do before you put the wire on is stick the twig or the stem part into the wreath. Find a little cozy spot for it and then wrap that baby with some floral wire again. And then I just keep going around. You can go up above it or below it with the leaves and tuck it in so you don't see the stem. Make sure you found a good snug spot for it and then wrap the wire again. See, you need the wire else it will fall out of place. And here it is, almost halfway done, as you can see. And you just keep chugging along. You just stick it really deep into those wreath forms. You can even pull it out the back. You won't see it, so pull it down and get it nice and snug. And keep working your way around. Also, make sure you form the leaves exactly like you want. You can manipulate them and make them lay just how you want. So take your time to make that really look full and beautiful. And even after you wire it, if there's still some spots that are coming up, hot glue them down and that works great. Now it's time to glue our lemons on. I got these from Walmart. There was about 10 for $2.50. I placed them around how I liked them and then I hot glued them down. If you have already seen my front door makeover, you will have seen this wreath. I love the way it turned out. At high-end stores, these can cost up to $60. I made mine for under $20. I hope you give it a try. Bye!